Yes, that's a wood C-clamp. So this is a variant of the Hyundai Sonata video that I did. Get 2 C-clamps and use them to smash it down. If you get them both tight and then turn the handles at the same time, you'll find that it pushes the piston back in with relative ease. I'm putting brakes on a Ford Edge, and said Ford Edge here has a 2-cylinder front brake caliper. So, same trick, except a variant, because you can't get even pressure on both, and a pad doesn't really easily go across both. I took 2 C-clamps. Yes, that's a wood C-clamp. And they were actually very easy to compress, but you apply a little bit of pressure to one clamp, then another, then another, then another. And in doing so, you can kind of wobble it back and forth to get it in without pushing the pistons at too crooked of an angle. So that's, it's just like the Hyundai, except the Hyundai I needed 2 clamps because the center was blocked up at the end, so I couldn't get it centered on the pad in the center of the piston. In this case, I can get it centered on each piston, but you need 2 clamps to do it. So that's a little tip for doing your front brakes on your Ford Edge, and possibly other vehicles that have this weird 2-cylinder setup.